Hello guys, if you face this error on Windows 10 and Windows 11, don't worry, today I'm going to show you 3 methods to fix it. So, let's go. Click on Start menu. Click on Settings. Then click on Apps. Click on Apps and Features. Select the faulty program and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click on Reset or Repair. This should be fixed the problem. Open Start menu. Type Recovery. Click on System Restore. Click Next. Select the restore point to undo changes on Windows. Click Next. Click Finish. Once you complete the steps, the restore point will apply, returning the device to the previous good working state. If one or more apps are affected, you will have to reinstall them manually.